Okay, so I've got the new plugs, wires, cap, and rotor on. There is one plug in the back that I still have to do. It's coming out kind of hard, so I think I'm going to run the truck for a while, get it warm, then try to take it out. Plugs didn't actually look that bad, so I might even leave it in for now, just because I don't want to take a risk of breaking it. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Go ahead. Pump it quick. There you go now. Turn the key. Turn the key. Pump it. Okay, stop. Pump it some more. Turn the key. Pump it. Like, just stomp that pedal. All right, let me give her a try. All right, so it's definitely idling better. However,
it sounded like something